I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's head-to-head feature. In this corner, we have the 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's an iconic example of the American pickup truck, and it's all new for 2019. Next, we have the 2019 Toyota Tundra. Toyota can't often be seen as an underdog, but it comes to the full-size pickup game with something to prove. The Silverado and the Tundra are both burly rigs designed to work and play hard. So let's compare engines, interiors, standard features, and pricing. With 5 engines, it's an understatement to say there's no shortage of options available for the Silverado. Buyers can opt for everything from a 310 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder to a robust 420 horsepower V8. The standard engine is a 285 horsepower V6, and a 6-cylinder diesel is also on the way. The V8 models sport the best towing and hauling capacities and can be configured to haul up to 3,000 pounds and tow 12,000. Even the most powerful V8 delivers 16 miles per gallon city and 20 highway. In comparison, the Tundra offers 2 engines, a 310 horsepower 4.6-liter V8 and a more powerful 5.7-liter V8 good for 481 horsepower. At 15 miles per gallon city and 19 on the highway, even the base engine can't match the Silverado. Hauling and towing capacity also falls short. Maximum payload is just over 1,700 pounds, and a top-spec Tundra will tow 10,200 pounds. With tons of available engines, better fuel economy, and better hauling and towing numbers, the Silverado is the clear winner here. Now let's look inside the cabin. The center stack for the Silverado looks great. The infotainment screen is framed with angular accents, and the prominent vents make it look utilitarian and refined at the same time. The front seats are also exceptionally roomy, and the rear chairs feature a cool little storage area inside the seat backs. Since it can be optioned to feel like everything from a job site to a boardroom, it's important to note the bones are great here. While it was also roomy, we found the cabin of the Tundra to be slightly behind the Silverado in regard to material quality and ergonomics, likely because it hasn't been updated as recently as the Chevy. While it's far from an uncomfortable place to be, we expect the next generation of the Tundra to be more up to speed with what the competition is doing. Both competitors demonstrate that pickups have come a long way from their utilitarian roots, but we think the more modern feel of the Chevy gives it the edge here. Infotainment tech is becoming a larger and larger factor in any new vehicle purchase, so it's an important element to get right. The Silverado comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. The available advanced trailering system uses the rear-view camera to aid in lining up the hitch, and can even monitor the tire pressure on the trailer. It's a great bit of tech. The Toyota also features a touchscreen, and its Entune system will respond to voice commands. But the lack of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will feel like an oversight for drivers accustomed to seamless smartphone integration. So we think the Chevy's standard tech, along with the availability of the advanced trailering system, wins the day here. Safety is one area where trucks have improved dramatically in the past 5 years. One notable feature of the Silverado is the standard teen driver system, which allows owners to set limits for speed and radio volume. There's also plenty of available safety tech, including lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and front pedestrian braking. That said, all Tundras feature Toyota Safety Sense P, a suite of safety systems that includes all that tech, along with adaptive cruise, automatic high beams, and a sway warning system to aid towing. So the Tundra takes the win for safety. Now it's time to talk price, and it's a complicated conversation. At $29,795, the Silverado has a lower starting price than the Tacoma, which comes in at $31,420. But that's for a stripped-down work rig few consumers are going to opt for. Given the Lego-like configurability of pickup trucks in general, pricing will vary greatly even among the same model, given cab, bed, and drivetrain options. That said, a good rule of thumb is that the Tundra is a better bang for the buck for folks who like trucks and occasionally need to do truck things. The Silverado is a better bet for users who need the capability a stout pickup provides. Pricing-wise, this is a draw. Taking everything into consideration, the Chevy wins. While the Tundra is a solid rig with desirable standard features, we think the Silverado's better engine selection, more refined cabin, better payload and towing capacity, and available trailering aids wins the day. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive, so if you're deciding between the Chevy Silverado and the Toyota Tundra, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below. And also be sure to subscribe, as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle for AutoNation Drive. Thanks for watching.